Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. A common situation, road construction, can confuse a driver, especially a newbie. In such a situation, it is very important to understand the order of travel. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Who will be the last to pass in this situation? A. Black car. B. Green car. C. Red car. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. Let's analyze the situation step by step, taking into account road signs, directions of travel, and priority rules. On the right, there is a sign priority over oncoming traffic. It means that the black car from our side has priority over the green one. There is also a sign for the direction of travel and lanes. It is permissible for the black car to move to the left in the lane. The red car is leaving a secondary road, as indicated by the sign intersection with a secondary road. The green car is moving straight along the main road. You must let the black car pass. It has a yield to oncoming traffic sign. The red car must yield because it is entering from a secondary road. So the black car passes first. The red car enters from secondary road, must yield to all cars on the main road. So it passes last. Answer: C. The red car will pass last. So, confess, who of you answered correctly quickly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.